Everyone, Sunil here from Our Clean. This is the inside of a glass panelled roof, as you can see. Very bad condition, a lot of mould, and we are being asked to clean it. For a job like this, we have to use hot water. There you go, folks. Testament to the power of hot water and pressure. It's working an absolute treat. So these are the results from the roof clean. There you go, folks. So if you have a glass roof like this, we can clean it for you. Happy to help you if you want to see some results. We can deliver those for you. Thanks, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video.